Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The horror! The horror! Look at that snow. Look at that. That's some blizzard. That is quite a disaster. Oh, and look at how it's blowing around. Oh, the wind. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, oh, this is what a situation. Did somebody check the roads? Did you check the roads? Make sure they're okay? Yeah, this is quite a Holy moly. Mercy me. What? Oh, the elderly. What about the elder? Did anybody check on the elderly? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the snow. It's at least we have one thing we can depend on. Snapple, made from the best stuff on earth.